Your arms reach co-sleeper when it's jammed.
Can I go with you, Mom?
Excuse me, Niels. First step, I did this because I can't find a video to help me with this. Just kick the two sides first. Now on the left and the right side, this is the challenging part here. This is what happens, and this is where I have difficulty with. It should fold nice and easy, but it's not. So hopefully it doesn't happen to you, but see that the angle should be in both ways, similar to this one on the left and the right side.
It's a stroller. I mean a crib.
You have the press button over
It's
here.
I have to go. Oh, that's not working very well. Daddy, talk.
Yeah, wait. This is the one I'm struggling with. So what you do is, once that happens, you just have to rock it, because this is the jam part. So once that happens, you just make sure that all the buttons are pressed. And that's how you take care of the jam part of your co-sleeper. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped a lot, because I had to read all the instructions, but I couldn't find anything telling me about how to fix a jammed ankle bar, I guess. Alright, bye. Your arms reach co-sleeper when it's jammed.
Can I go with you, Mom?
Excuse me, Niels. First step, I did this because I can't find a video